with stippling, the biggest mistake that I see kids do is they make all their dots very perfectly lined up. And you want to make sure that you avoid that because it won't look quite right. You want to make sure when you're placing the dots that it looks very organic. Organic meaning it just looks very random the way that you're putting the dots down. The other thing that I want you to notice when I'm doing this in the video is that I'm not taking the Sharpie from a very high distance and completely destroying the tip of my Sharpie. If you get closer to the paper, you have better control. Because remember, you're trying to make dots, not lines. So if you work way too fast, it's going to be messy and it's not going to quite look like stipples. Another thing you want to notice in the video is that I'm adding more dots in areas if I think it needs to be a little bit darker. It's easier to add more Sharpie than to take away. With a sphere, we've already talked about how to make contours. So again, you want to make sure that you start with a curved edge that goes with the curvature of your sphere. And because you just practiced your value scale, you're going to do basically the same thing. You want to make sure that you have your dots kind of spread out, and then it's easier to add more dots than to take away. Make sure that you still continue to curve with the sphere and leave room for a highlight.